The Riot Blockchain, Incorporated stock price gained 1.00% on the last trading day, Tuesday, 8 March 2022, rising from $14.95 to $15.10, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 9.14% from a day low at $14.42 to a day high of $15.74. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -5.33% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares, and in total, 7 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $104.85 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -36.98% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $5.57 and $11.01 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days, as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 27, 2022, and so far it has risen 12.27%. Further rises indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Riot Blockchain, Incorporated stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $16.20 and $16.65. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, support, risk stop loss. Riot Blockchain, Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $15, and this level may hold a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.32 between high and low, or 9.14%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 9.28%. Our recommended stop loss: we hold in negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Riot Blockchain, Incorporated stock a buy? Riot Blockchain, Incorporated holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Current score, -4.188. Insiders are very negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Riot Blockchain, Incorporated. In the last 100 trades there were 1.7 million shares bought and 6.55 million shares sold. The last trade was done 20 days ago by Lay Jason, who sold 244.87 thousand shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for Riot Blockchain, Incorporated of Wednesday, March 9, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 9, 2022, $15.09.